Hi everybody, I'm here on Lichess. My name is Douglas and do a couple of puzzles. Okay, so I'm looking at taking here with the pawn and then maybe forcing the knight on c3. It's got a lot of options, so I'm not going to do that. Alright, then I see my queen. I could take with the queen, put the king in check, and then could I go with my bishop on c and then a checkmate? No, just take there. My knight, could I bring it over? Just be losing because of their queen. Okay, I think I'm going to try something. If you'd like to pause the video here. Okay, we're going to try taking with the queen. So check, and then what next? So knight. Oh, okay. Then you just take the bishop, and so you put the king in check, win up the exchange, win material. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and hope you like or subscribe.